Hi, Dr. Rebecca Brown here from Brown Chiropractic and Wellness, bringing you an episode of Research That Matters. I'd like to share with you some startling research regarding the connection of posture to organ health from a medical journal, Archives of Internal Medicine. But first, I want you to think about termites. Did you know that termites account for more annual home damage costs in the state of Florida than all weather-related damages in that state combined? Termite inspectors describe houses in Florida as either a home with termites or a home that will eventually get termites. Infestation tends to be unavoidable, so controlling damage is dependent on vigilance in terms of detection and extermination. I use this termite story as an analogy for the insidious damage of poor posture. First of all, our modern world is rampant with posture pitfalls, with technology use at the top of the list. Just as termites have inflicted substantial damage by the time warning signs begin to surface, likewise, internal deterioration of your spine also begins slowly and without signs. Unhealthy posture is often unavoidable in today's world, whether it be while crouched over a cell phone, look familiar, or sitting at a computer screen for hours each day. But these posture termites result in an accumulation of signs and symptoms that represent dangerous and possibly irreparable damage to the foundation of the body. People tend to acknowledge that poor posture is a negative thing, but few realize the dramatic extent of the damage to the entire body. Most tend to associate the consequences of poor posture as perhaps a neck or a back pain, or cosmetic like a slumped appearance. However, scientific research proves poor posture damage has far more reaching consequences to your health. The medical journal study I mentioned above followed more than 4,000 men over 20 years. Results showed that men who lost over 3 centimeters in height due to poor posture over that time experienced a 64% higher risk of developing heart disease. Heart disease! Did you know heart disease is your most likely cause of death as an American? In fact, stats show almost 50% of us will die prematurely from heart disease. And imagine, addressing your posture might decrease your likelihood of being in that group a whopping 64%. In these current times where there seems to be so many scary things out of our control, it could be helpful to shift our focus to things we can control, like our posture. Our posture directly impacts the intimate and complex relationship between the spine, nervous system function, and cardiovascular health. Proper alignment and function of the spine provides an added boost to health way beyond pain relief and cosmetic appearance. The crisis of the past few months has required many of you to work or school from home using laptops and other ergonomically challenging workstations. The assault on posture has reached staggering levels. Unfortunately, posture problems cannot be corrected by simply trying to sit up straighter or walk more upright. In fact, many people report increased discomfort when trying to do so. Research proves getting to the root of posture problems requires evaluating and addressing spinal alignment and movement. Chiropractic care, of course, does this, improving posture and thereby positively influencing the central nervous system. The overall effects of healthy nervous system function radiate throughout systems, which control immunity, digestion, breathing, and much more. If you haven't been in lately, it might be an important time to have an evaluation of how your posture has withstood the stresses of recent times, and not wait for the foundation of your house to crumble, so to speak. I will see you next week for another episode of Research That Matters.